It's not just an appreciation of our ancestors that makes our heritage so special. It's the tradition of passing on their ideas, discoveries and hopes. Since the first ancient communities settled here, this land has stirred ideas and inspired beliefs. We've done this through poetry and ancient crafts, through bards telling tales of past triumphs and struggles while travelling from place to place. As a shared cultural identity formed, so a common language emerged, and these unique stories were written down. This area also has a long-standing tradition of Christian pilgrimage, with travellers coming from far and wide to walk the landscape in search of peace. Some pilgrims followed the North Wales Pilgrim's Way, beginning on the border with England, through Eryri and Rowen, before joining the coast near Penman Mawr. Some pilgrims began their journey at Bangor Cathedral, founded in the 6th century on land given by an ancient king of Gwynedd. In both cases, pilgrims would pass by the shrine of St Beino in Clynogfawr. Before finally reaching Journey's End on Ynys Enlli, the island of the saints.